Ni mwago wa ndumo ya nyĩmbo cia Rhumba utuko wa muthenya wa Jumamothi mukawa-ini wa Carnival Simba Saloon ugitelefoni njorwe ya umemerekia wa nyĩmbo ici Uncle Fred Machoka. Mwago uyu uria rahetwo ritwa Rhumba Back and Forth urathaganitio unyitanĩri na ceceni cia Radio Citizen na Citizen TV ukigiritania nyĩmbo cia matuko ma tene na cia matuko maya. Ni mwago urahubitwo riri ni aini megatu ta Les Wanyika na badi ya Super Mazembe. Aria marekinyitie mwago-ini uyu maria nini kana akuru magitua rwimbo rutikurira thi.
Thought of Rhumba, I heard of Les Wanyika, I thought of my dad.
Yeah.
He made us listen to Les Wanyika when we were young. And then my husband also loves Rhumba.
Yes.
And then was like, baby, I'm taking out for Rhumba night. Why not?
Eroreri na thikiriria ceceni cia Citizen no marakenereire mweke wa mwanya wa gucemania na Uncle Fred Machoka wa tafarira ya Roga Roga.
Nimekutana na a number of people here and they were saying this is what needs to take place like every quarter. So for us as Royal Media Services, Citizen Radio, Citizen TV, we feel very proud that we were associated with this particular project of bringing music to the people.
Ciciere no cireire athikiriria na eroreri ao ati no meguthie na mbere kumatia ndugu nao. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.